This morning, a billion-dollar bombshell for the family behind Purdue Pharma, the maker of OxyContin. In a court filing late Friday, the New York Attorney General's office saying it tracked a previously undisclosed $1 billion in wire transfers by the Strickler family, some through Swiss bank accounts, allegedly in an effort to protect their assets. The New York AG writing, "While the Stricklers continue to lowball victims and skirt a responsible settlement, we refuse to allow the family to misuse the courts in an effort to shield their financial misconduct." A Strickler spokesperson responding with a statement that read in part, "There is nothing newsworthy about these decades-old transfers, which were perfectly legal and appropriate in every respect. This is a cynical attempt by a hostile AG's office to generate defamatory headlines to try to torpedo a mutually beneficial settlement." Just days ago, Purdue Pharma and the Strickler family agreed to a tentative multi-billion-dollar settlement for thousands of opioid lawsuits filed by municipal governments in nearly 24 states. Under the terms, Purdue Pharma would declare bankruptcy, and the Strickler family would give up control of the company that would turn into a for-profit trust, future profits going to the plaintiffs. But according to several reports, the settlement contains no admission of wrongdoing, and several attorneys general say it doesn't go far enough.
What's been offered doesn't do enough for victims and their families to confronting the worst public health crisis of my lifetime.
According to the CDC, the opioid epidemic has killed at least 400,000 people in the last 20 years, and the lawsuits against Purdue Pharma and the Stricklers accuse them of aggressively pushing painkillers and not disclosing the risks. In a deposition obtained by ProPublica, former President Richard Strickler defended his company's business practice.
The way the sales scheme was set up, if they sold more OxyContin, they made more money, basically.
Yes, the same as almost every other company in the industry.
Forbes estimates the family net worth at $13 billion in 2016, making them the 19th richest in the country. But their wealth is under more scrutiny than ever as their legal woes reach a new level.